Hi there, this is Joseph Strydom. I'm coming to you from Cape Town, South Africa. Today I want to show you how easy it is to start with a virtual wealth center, wealth system, sorry. If you see the link below, then you click on that link and you will come here to this capture page where Alonzo Brown, our leader and the owner of the system, explains to you what the virtual wealth system is all about. And there you can see earn up to $1,000 a day and 100% instant commissions. And then, as we say, there's an amazing new online marketing and business building system. And let me just scoot myself over. You can build your list, your downlines, and all your businesses while earning 100% instant commission and unlimited passive residual income. So if you fill in your details here, you click the button over here, then you are going to come to this page. Here again we say 100% instant commission, unlimited residual income. Let me just scoot myself up here again quickly. And there Alonzo talks to you again, and he gives you 7 reasons why you should sign up. Let's go through them quickly. You build your list faster and with quality leads. You'll be able to promote any business you have. You can generate quality traffic for your website. You can earn unlimited 100% instant commission. You will be able to earn unlimited residual income. You can earn up to $1,000 a day with our system. And you can earn a 6-figure income from home. Imagine that, from home. And then he says you can click any banner for a free tour and to join us. So if you click this banner here, there's 3 banners on this page. You click them, you will get here to this page. And this is basically our company website, where Alonzo gives you about a 10-minute tour of our system and what you can expect and all the businesses inside of here. Here on your left hand side you can see that Alonzo is available anytime for you. You can speak to him. He is one of the best supports that I've ever worked with, and he's just absolutely wonderful. And so you'll see here all the businesses that is inside. I'll just quickly go through them, and if you are already part of one of these businesses, all that you do on the inside, you're going to just put your ID number or your username inside, and you don't have to start all over again. You don't have to start the business all over again. If you're part of the business, you just fill in your details, and then that's it. I want to show you here where you can put in your own businesses. You can put 5 of your own businesses in. This will be your back office. Your face will be there, your blog or your site, your Facebook and your Twitter. And all that you need to do is to, when you start, is to fill in your details over here. So after you've done that, you will obviously come to your own back office. And in the back office, this is where everything happens. So just quickly going over here, you will add a photo of yourself and your Facebook address. You will then add your top 5 businesses as I've just explained. And then you sign up in the first 7 programs, which is imperative for you to make money. And then after that, you can do the rest. But the first is most important, the first 7 programs. And then you'll get your referral link and your banners. Yes, we'll also give you your banners and for you to promote. And then there you will see that your personal referrals will come in. And again, you can contact admin, which is our CEO, Alonzo Brown over here. And you will find your replicated corporate referral link over here, which will basically just be virtualwealthsystem.com/me/ and then your username. And then in your own, when you have your own back office, when your people sign up your banners will be in here, and your banners will be displayed up here. So that is it. It is so easy and so straightforward to join. And as Alonso said, take the free tour. It's a video tour that he will provide for you, and he will tell you everything that is happening within the virtual wealth system. So come and join us. Enjoy the wealth with us, enjoy the passion with us, and come and enjoy the abundance with us. We are here to support you, myself and Alonso, and if there's anything that you need, you just contact us and we will be able to help you. All right, hope to have you as a teammate one of these days. Thanks, bye-bye.